It's Sumfest weekend
and we have the Frog versus the Assassin.
Laser tag is finally in Jamaica.
Another Sumfest look back.
And who warned Rob Kardashian?
We'll soon tell you, so stick around. Intense starts right now. So before we get into the Rob Kardashian and Black China, we knew it was going to happen drama. We have to get prepped for the big fight next Wednesday. Who will Sakima be fighting? Well, this bout tells all.
It's the second semi-finals tonight. Richard Frog Holmes versus the Canadian Phil Rose.
Beat and teach, so beat and teach, so beat and teach, beat and teach. We done them already. Get back to the money. All them a preach and preach. Step over, they go beat and teach. Them a jive by and all know them can't reach. Go on back up for your grandmother preach.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 7 complete rounds, we go to the scorecards. Judge David Dunbar scores about 67 to 66. Rose. Judge Linda Allen scores about 68 to 65. Holmes. Judge Keith Brown scores about 68 to 65 for the winner. By split decision, Phil the Assassin Rose.
Congratulations. What are your preparations like for the final?
Work 100 times harder, run 100 miles more. I'm in the gym as soon as I get home.
Frog, what are your thoughts on the fight tonight?
I guess it was a pretty good fight, you know, and unfortunately the kid gets me a good punch, you know.
Why do you think he fell down tonight?
In the second round when he get one top, Mr. Say, you kind of have him.
Best man won.
Yeah man, but definitely the Canadian win.
What do you think about the fight tonight?
Fight was okay.
Why you said just okay?
Because a fair fight.
Who are you bringing?
Rose.
It was fair and square, although Frog could have endured.
Rose stood his ground and he won the fight.
It was a good fight.
Another split decision tonight, but this one goes to Rose. Boy, a Jamaican versus a Canadian. I don't know who's going to take the title this year.